So here's the question of the day. How long do you think it would take to repair 3 iPhone telephones? Bienvenue and welcome to 150 Days of Winter. Hello! 7 screws, 1 plate. Hi, for those of you who didn't know, as well as skiing and doing other stuff like that, I repair telephones and computers, but mainly telephones. Anyway, I thought this would be an interesting project to do, and I'm going to ask you a little question to guess on. I have a client dropped off 3 telephones to be fixed, and I have got all the parts I need, all the bits I need to repair them, and the question I ask you is, how long back to back do you think it would take me to repair an iPhone 6, an iPhone 6S and an iPhone 7? Now each of them have slightly different problems. The iPhone 6 has the plastic frame around the glass has come away, needs to be re-glued. Screen doesn't need to be replaced. It's an original Apple screen. There's no point in replacing that. But anyway, it still needs to be disassembled. iPhone 6S screen is completely, well, when I say completely dead, when you plug it in you can see vaguely something happening in the background, but it needs to be replaced. And an iPhone 7 is the most visibly broken here, and again that screen needs to be replaced. Okay, now when I'm repairing these phones, I'm not going to be cutting any corners. They're going to be done absolutely properly. Battery's going to be unplugged, everything's going to be unscrewed properly, everything's going to be re-screwed up afterwards properly. So again, I'm not trying to do a speed record here, although I'm going to do this at a conservative speed, and we're going to see everything's going to be timed with this phone, and we're going to see how long it takes. Okay, to add to the bit even more, the replacement screens here have no back plates to them, so literally everything needs to be transferred from the broken screens to the new screens. Okay, and again, when everything's been put back together on the worktop here, there will be no extra screws left over. Okay, I'm not going to be cutting any corners in that way. So knowing all that, 3 phones, gluing, screen replacement, how long do you think it'll take to repair them all? Answers in the comments down below. Now I'm just going to switch to the overhead camera and we will get started. Three iPhones screens repaired in 50 minutes and 7 seconds. I was hoping to do it in under an hour, which I'm pretty impressed with. The only thing that was missing for the eagle-eyed who might say, the iPhone 7 doesn't have a new gasket around the screen, so it is no longer water resistant. I have none of them in stock, which is why. If you enjoyed this type of video, drop us a like down below. If you want to see more stuff of me repairing phones, drop me a comment down below, click the subscribe button, and I will see you all in the next video. Ciao!